Hello, hope you're doing well. This is about creating a file and uploading it to Zoho Writer and similarly any other file upload mechanisms or Zoho WorkDrive. So it's a simple workflow. You need to make the fields, you need to convert it into a file, and you need to upload it. Let's start by how to add it to a field. So the simplest way I found was to use the edit fields and you do a manual mapping. Here I put it as data, and this is let's say propose or the data that we have. Then I convert it into a file. Super simple. Just make sure to remember this field and sorry, this field and this field, like it's a bit complicated. This comes from the previous one and this goes to the next one. To the output, yes. And then here you can actually see everything from the previous step and the Zoho like writer create document I was using, and here you choose a form data N8N binary file. It should be content because of their API restriction, and here make sure to use data, and this data is referring to this data, and you should be good to go. Executing this would create the file in the Zoho work drive.